we offer 46 kilo for check-in luggages. 46 kilo for two pieces. Like you go into Japan using the PAL or JAL. Yeah, because I negotiate with the Royal Air, the owner, Mr. Lee. Okay, I talked to him. Okay, I want to charter this flight, but you need to give me, yeah, the luggage allowance is a good policy. So we offer every client uh, two pieces, 46 kilo totally. So each luggage is 23 kilo. So totally 46. One way 46, coming back 46. So when you're coming back from Da Nang, you can you are worry free for shopping there because Da Nang many local products. I think you will love it. So you can no worry about for your shopping there. Okay, so once again, I want to emphasize the luggage allowance is 46 kilo. 46 kilo. So you can tell your clients this is quite special. Yeah, but Cebu Pacific, normally they don't offer the luggage allowance. For the luggage allowance, you have to pay. Yeah, you have to pay. Like one way, 20 kilo, 1,250 peso per week. Yeah, but since I chartered the Royal Air, yeah, I finalized with them with the contract. They offer us 46 kilo. Yeah, for tax. Okay, so I give you our packages. I don't know if majority of you receive our package from our staff. Yeah, we we have these two packages because I charter the flight every week two flight. Yeah, every week two flight. So from Tuesday to Saturday. Yeah. So you will see. We have one package for 4 days. 4 days, our selling price is 19,888. Yeah, peso. This is the selling price. Yeah, but out from Manila. So you need to buy the domestic ticket from Davao to Manila. Yeah, and the timing is very good. The timing is better than Cebu Pacific. Yeah, from Manila to Da Nang, 2:35 takeoff from Manila. Arrival in Da Nang, 5:30 p.m. So when arrival, you pass the immigration, the tour guide will meet you and then bring you for the dinner and check in. Yeah, so people will know that it's tired. And coming back is also very nice. Coming back, the timing is 7 p.m. So after early dinner or what, and then the tour guide will bring you to the airport. Coming back to Manila around 9:30 p.m. So when you clients in Manila still can enjoy, yeah, they sleep also. Yeah, they will be not tired. It's unlike Cebu Pacific. Cebu Pacific coming back to Manila is around 2 a.m. in the morning, midnight. So the next day you will be tired, but Royal Air the next day you still can continue for working. Yeah, so this is different or the timing also good for this other flight. Yeah. But of course I cannot guarantee. Sometimes they might delay. Sometimes. Depends on the weather. Yeah, depends on the weather. Yeah. Okay. So the other package is for 5 day, 4 nights. That means 4 nights hotel. Yeah. 21,888. Agent commission 2,500 peso. Yeah, 2,500 pesos. So you can sell to your clients. But of course, you combine your domestic tickets. Maybe you can mark up more. Yeah.
Jerry,
Yeah.
what terminal would that depart?
Terminal 1.
Terminal 1.
Terminal 1. Yeah, Terminal 1, when you go out, the taxi is easier. Yeah, Terminal 3 is very hard to get a grab and taxi. Yeah, Terminal 3, yeah, okay. So, next. Yeah, we use the local 4-star hotel. This is the very basic. Yeah, why you use the local 4-star? Actually, I'm not worried about the local 4-star hotel in Vienna because they offer the international buffet breakfast. They have coffee, they have fried egg, they cook the noodle and fried rice. So I checked an ocular already. It's unlike other country, especially to be honest, for me, China is very happy for local 4-star hotel because the breakfast is not international. But Vietnam, yeah, the breakfast is international. Of course, they have coffee, but maybe in China, you don't have a coffee for local 4-star hotel. Yeah, so Vietnam is very good for experience. Yeah, so this is not normally we use a local 4, but of course, if you have clients have more budget, you can customize. You can talk to us. Oh, okay. My client is local LGU or what or more high end. They want the international 5-star hotel. Of course, in Da Nang have many international hotels like Cloud Plaza, Hilton, Novotel, yeah, also Mario, yeah, Mario also. So, and if your clients is more high end, okay, we can customize for you. Yeah, of course you have to pay the surcharge different. And for like other clients, they say, oh, only international 5-star, maybe local 5. Okay, we also can offer local 5-star hotel. Yeah, the lobby is bigger and the room is bigger. Yeah, breakfast and more categories. Yeah, so this is what I say is the AC1, 4-star, AC1. Yeah, okay. Okay, I show you some hotels picture. This is one of the local 4. Yeah, local 4. But this hotel, when you go outside, have some shops, walking street. Yeah, and some restaurants. This is what we call the local 4. Yeah, clean, clean. But if you want more luxury, of course different. This one I call local 5. Yeah, the lobby is bigger. And then just next to the hotel, restaurants and one 24 hours, yeah, convenience store. This local 5. And the view, sea view, because this local 5, yeah, we brought the room. Yeah, we have the good contract with them. So if your clients more demanding or the more high end, okay, you recommend this one for local 5-star hotel, Nalo hotel. Yeah. Okay. Oh, this one is Cloud Plaza. Cloud Plaza Hotel, Da Nang. Yeah. It's very good for if you have golfers clients. The clients playing golf. This is very strong recommend. You know why? KTV inside. After golf, they can sing it. And massage inside. So let's stay in one hotel, no need to go out. Because the golfer playing golf, KTV, massage, dinner in one hotel. This is the hotel golfers love it. Yeah, but I don't recommend this hotel for those senior. Why? Because it is like a resort. You have to go to your room alone walking. It's like a resort, so you need to walk far by 500 meters like this. Yeah, but the room is really very nice, very good. Yeah, the breakfast of course. Yeah, see, the hotel just near the seaside. Yeah, for young generation or honeymoon, yeah, they can choose this hotel. Yeah, the beach there. Okay, now some food. Yeah, the Vietnam food. This is the Bana here buffet. Anyone went to Da Nang already? Anyone? Okay, so Alex, you had the buffet there, right? Yeah. This meal. No. I mean the lunch buffet. Yeah, this is the lunch buffet, including our packages. You take the cable car, going up to the Pana Mountain, Pana Hill Mountain. Yeah, and after you sightseeing there, our tour guide will bring you to have the buffet lunch here. Yeah, there are more than 100 category foods inside. Yeah, so I'm very sure and confident that your clients will be very satisfied. Yeah, okay. The next. This is one of the seafood that combined with the BBQ, barbecue restaurants that offer the local Vietnamese food. Yeah, Vietnamese food actually I think for Filipino okay because I know majority of Filipino local here, maybe including me also. Yeah, you can know more spicy food, right? Yeah, like Thailand. Yeah, the Thai food maybe spicy. So, but Vietnam okay. Yeah, I tried the food. Yeah, Vietnam food okay. Not that spicy, just a little bit. Yeah, okay. This is one of the local Vietnam style, yeah, restaurants. Of course, we were including in our packages. Okay, the dollar dust. Dollar dust. The maximum I recommend 40 bucks. Yeah, because the total is 45. Yeah, so 40 maximum clients number, one group, 40 bucks. Of course, 30, okay, 30 you don't need to wait for a long queue, going down, going up. But 30, okay, minimum 30 like this. About some attractions, yeah, like sightseeing. Yeah, this is famous Golden Bridge. Golden Bridge. Mala here. You take a cable car around 30 minutes, going up to the Mala here, and you will see the other city sports there. It is French, France Village. Not only the Golden Bridge, on the mountain. Yeah, you will enjoy the French village also. Yeah, and the temperature going down to the 20 degrees. So the weather is very nice when you're going down. Okay. This is Dragon Bridge in Da Nang City. Yeah, the bridge, the dragon head, they will have the fires going outside of the fire. Yeah, but only for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They have a show for every evening, 8 p.m. So for those join the weekend night cruising, you will see this show. Yeah, this one very nice. This is some picture. The picture all from my cell phone. Yeah, I didn't download from the internet. So I show you the real one. Why I take a picture? Yeah, the cruise. This one, the temple Quan Yin, because the local for the northern part or Vietnam, they are Buddhism before. They are Buddhism. For Ho Chi Minh Saigon, that was occupied before by French, right? So the more majority they are Christian or yeah. So you will see the Quan Yin also affected from China. Yeah. So when you arrive in Vietnam or Da Nang or Hanoi, many local Vietnamese they can speak Mandarin. Okay. Some the church, yeah, the church the local there. Han market. The Han market normally is a must visit. You can buy the local peanut, many local Vietnam food and snacks there. We will give you the free time, so you can bring to your relatives or friends. Of course, this one is highlight, including our packages. It is coconut, all right, coconut, all right. So we all in our itinerary we included this. This one is this ancient city, ancient town is one of my favorite. Yeah, this is Hoi An ancient town. Hoi An ancient town. Yeah. Some in the middle, the river, and also is the boat, and many restaurants, local restaurant and bar. Yeah, in this town. Later I show you more video. I think our team send you our availability link, right? Did you have our availability link? Because no more June. Okay, so July, July, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, yeah, yeah. So far we sold out for June departure. So Da Nang is really very hot setting. Yeah, and only a few slots for July, and then our charter flight is from June to December. This one is we upgrade the packages like local five-star hotel. Yeah, if you have like what I say just now, you have more high-end clients, you can recommend this local five-star hotel. The surcharge is around $60. Yeah, compare with our basic salaries, basic packaging. Okay. Okay, I also show you more about
For the Danang Charter, we usually, for, for the exclusion, kindly take note po, we have to collect 38 USD. Baka pumunta ka kayo pag sinender po kayo ng SOA. So, for the 5 days po, guys, kasi po ang rate namin for the other one is 19,888 for the 4 days and 21,888 for the 5 days. So, I have to explain to all about the exclusion po. Since hindi po siya masyado nakikita dito, meron po kaming kinokollect na 38 USD. What is the 38 USD? This is the travel terminal tax for Danang and PH. So, kailangan nyo po i-include na, otherwise baka po magulat.
How much?
38 USD. 10 for Philippine and 28 for Danang. Terminal tax po. This is different from PH tax na 1,620. Doon po sa binabayaran sa airport. Terminal tax po. Terminal tax.
Ang ticket yan?
Why we collect for the terminal tax?
I don't think.
Chartered.
Yeah, because this is charter flight. Yeah, so we need to collect it.
It's a charter.
Yeah, charter. So we need
yeah.
to send to the airlines.
Because
Yeah, and
I
then
have
the
a ticket that in Cebu Pacific, they don't charge me like that.
yeah, because the Cebu Pacific is regular flight.
Then separate the 1620 is still separate. We have to add on.
Yeah. But still compare with the ticket, the charter price is much cheaper because now the Cebu Pacific almost 20K already, 20K without the luggage. Some departure day in August, 40K.
Yeah.
Yeah, 40K. Maybe you can check. Yeah, because very offsetting. Yeah.
So, make it sure po, when you offer it, maybe you can include already. Otherwise, you have to explain that this is, they have to pay for the terminal tax. And then the tipping po, $5 again per day. So 5 days is 25, 20 for 4 days. So the one, when you add everything, I think it will be sum up around 4,800 like that. So parang parehas na po siya. Parang magkakaroon po 19,888 plus 4,800 something. So most probably magiging ang 4 days po ay magiging 25,400 parang ganun po. And then for the 5 days, i-offer niyo po kung gusto niyo lang po i-add. For the 5 days, I think it's additional 2,000, so 27,400.
Plus
Pag kasama na
1620.
po lahat.
Plus domestic,
Eating,
Davao, Manila, Davao.
PH tax,
Japan ka na lang.
38 USD. Ayun po. And then, for the luggage po, syempre naman po, siguro wala na pong mag-a-add since 46
sila man
po
din.
siya. 46 kilos luggage allowance. So, maybe better po if you want to offer this Danang Charter, maybe you can add already and put all in na po. Para po wala na pong maybe discussion for the budget. Kasi pag bilang na-receive niyo po yung SOE, makukulat din po kayo kasi hindi niyo po nakita. Dito sa Pinapresidente, medyo maliit po siya. So I have to make it clear for all the agents that we are collecting 38 USD for the terminal tax because of the charges. This is the charges flight, and then 25 USD for the tipping, and PH tax for 1620 in the airport. Yan po. So, yun lang naman.
Yeah, okay, and then we offer every 30 pax, we offer one full FOC.
Full FOC po tayo.
Yeah,
sa
one
month.
full FOC. So you can select our traveling day. Yeah, you can ask our team to reserve for you 30 slots. And then we offer one FOC, full FOC, including the airfare. So that means every 29 pax, and then plus one FOC. Totally is 30 slots. So every booking you can reserve 30 slots to be your private tour. Yeah.
Yun po, so, before po it's 30 plus 1 FOC, but of course, Sir Jerry is here, so 29. 29. Kasi minsan po, actually, we already have agents who book with us 29 plus 1 full FOC. So, ano po yung advantage? If ever naman po, ang advantage po nun, you have full FOC and then you get that 2,500 commission, right? Plus 2,500 commission pa po yun. May FOC pa po kayo full. So, if you want a private bus, then try to get one bus. I mean, if you want a private arrangement, I mean, for your passenger, like maybe company, yun po, make it 29. And then, if you want to go with them, you are free. And there's more. For the agent rate po, for our Danang, any date you can choose, our agent rate for 4 days is only 15,000. Ano na po yun? Parang lagi na po. But of course, if you add the exclusion, it will sum up, it's like around 1988. So parang binayaran nyo lang po yung all-in na po. Wala na pong commission yun. So ito po yung kagandahan ng bakit po namin inaano yung data. Since if you are an agent, kunwari may 10 ka lang na pasahero, you cannot fill up that one bus. Okay lang po yun. Okay lang po yun. Meron pa po kayong commission doon and your rate if you want to go. You're not FOC, but you are discounted. So 15,000 for agent for 4 days and 17 for 5 days. So yun po. Yun po yung, kaya po kami nagpunta ng Davao to explain na any date in our chartered flight, you can go with your husband, with your wife, and then you can bring your passenger with you. Kung hindi man sa 30, okay lang din po. And your rate is very, very cheap po. Low. Parang nag-minus na po kami ng 5,000 plus po. Parang okay.
Yeah, first I show you some to those never been to Da Nang. For the Anna here first. Some pictures. Okay. So, yeah, this one has a cable car. Yeah, the cable car station going on. Starbucks also on the Havana here. Yeah, Trans Village. Yeah, okay. So this is the one that you were under there. When you enter the gate before you going up to the cable car. Okay. The view or the Trans Village. Yeah, so you can take more pictures. Okay, go. Then we are this is the ticket. Then we check your ticket. Our tour guide will give you the ticket. Okay. Oh, the one. This one was what I mentioned. some pictures and then you have some ideas. Okay, one more. Okay, next. Oh, see, the French village. Yeah. Okay. So. Yeah, this is all use my cell phone. I take a picture there. So of course you are going there, you can take more. Give you more features. This is in the center. This is the video. So you can enjoy your free time. Have a picture there, and then the tour guide will tell you the assemble time, where to meet, and then they will bring you to the Golden Bridge. Yeah, this is the first cable car when you arrive. It's a French village. After French village, you finish. The tour guide will bring you to the Golden Bridge. Yeah, and after the Golden Bridge, the buffet. Coconut boat, right. I use my cell phone to take a video there. This is the music they put it. Very funny. Yeah, and that time I was there. I was there.
Tapos dapat magkakanta ng pagkakantaan nila. Patuloy yung ganito para mula. Pagkakanta nila pa mo yan. Kaya ang mga sabihin nila yung pagkatingan nila ng kauwan pa na yun. Hindi yung pala yung gusto. Ano pa kami mga tuwan? Hindi na gusto yung Jesus. Kinala ko mga yung pagkakanta. Bukan ako nasa tuwan mo pa niya.
Coconut boat right there. Oh, the other one is sure.
Karon daw hinahanap ko yung mga buhaya.
Very funny. This one we use. Oh, this is me. I was there. Okay.
Jerry, for how many passengers can we do so that we can
The one private group.
one private group, can 30 be the minimum?
The minimum, I think.
Exclusive, so we can exclusive, we can do on
You mean the minimum, right?
yeah.
Minimum, as long as you want to be private. I think 20 to 25, okay.
With the same rate.
A little bit higher, a little bit.
Okay, just in case there's 50, so we get 29 plus 1, right?
Yes,
But if there's 50, it has to be 2 bus already.
50, right? You mean 15?
50.
50. Okay, if 50, two bus. Two bus, I still keep the same price for you. Because Da Nang, Vietnam, the bus is very cheap. It's unlike Japan.
So
Yeah.
if 30 packs for 1 bus, the price will be higher.
You mean 31?
30.
30, okay.
The price is higher.
No.
For exclusive bus,
Exclusive bus, 25 to 30, the price same price.
okay. But if
Yeah.
it's 50, exclusive 2 bus, same. or not?
Same, same, okay. Because only five different, okay, but you cannot be like 15. One five is too big different.
So you will
Yeah.
be joined with other guests, no, in the bus.
Private can do, as long as you have 25, I can give you private.
So if it's 60, I get
62
two.
bus, yeah.
No, I mean two FOC.
Yeah, two FOC. So I encourage you to get more 30, 30, 30. So you have more FOC. Yeah, it's because Vietnam the tour guide, English speaking guide, tour guide, how much per day? Can you guess how much per day? How much? Japan is 25,000 yen per day, right? So that means how much? Around $200 per day. But in Vietnam, English speaking guide, how much? $25 per day. It's quite different. Yeah. And the bus in Japan, how much per day? 90,000 yen per day. That means around $800 per day, right? Per day, and then 10 hours only in Japan. But Vietnam, okay, very flexible. Overtime, okay, easier to talk, flexible. But Japan, that is why your clients go into Japan. The tour guide always chasing your clients, hey, fast, 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 right? Because Japan now the bus the law very strict. Even you want to pay them extra, they don't like it.
Yes.
They say, oh sorry sir, sorry ma'am, I will lose my job because the license they will be fined.
They value the dignity of work.
Yes,
They
correct.
don't-
Bawal overtime.
Yeah, especially now Japan shortened to be 10 hours. Before it's 11 hours. Now it's 10 hours. So in Japan, we don't recommend you to including the dinner or including the dinner in the hotel. Yeah, because bus usage. So Vietnam bus usage how much? 4 days, 3 nights, 4 days bus usage. How much? $400 only for the whole trip. Japan per day is $800. Come on, how big different? Yeah, okay. So that's why I say 25 to 30, 25 to 34. Okay, same price. But if Japan different, 25 to 30, the pricing different already because the bus and the tour guide fee very expensive. Okay. Yeah. So now I show you the local market, hot market, some picture. Okay, like that. Yeah, you see many local slabs. Yeah, I think you can. I'm sure you will be enjoy tonight. We give your clients like 2 hours.
Tuwa skuro ko. Bakit ito mo?
Oh yeah, that is like Vietnam. So 46 kilo. You don't need to worry about buying. Okay. Okay. Yeah, hotel. Hotel already unfigured. Some video about the hotel. This is the Hue An ancient town. Yeah, this is my favorite there also. Very nice. Also some shops there. Yeah, of course you can search the Hue An ancient town through TikTok. More video there. Yeah, more video or YouTube. Yeah, you can check before you present to your clients. Okay. Especially during the night view, it's very harmony and very peaceful there. Very nice. You can drink a coffee or the bar beer. You can enjoy there. This Hui'an ancient town is only 1 hour drive from Da Nang city. 1 hour only. So I know that many people they don't like to have long drive, right? For example, where is Sapa, Vietnam? Anyone heard Sapa? Sapa is from Hanoi driving 6 hours. Very long drive. Hoi An from Da Nang, 1 hour only. So we don't need to change the hotel, just stay in one hotel. It's very convenient. And where's Hui? 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 2.5 hours from Da Nang. Hui. Yeah. I went there, to be honest, I don't recommend because nothing much to see. And then you have to drive a long way, 2.5 hours going there. Yeah, it's very so-so. There, I think so. Just Da Nang and Hanoi, okay. Sorry, Da Nang and Hoi An. Okay. Yeah, some pictures I use my cell phone to take. This is the night cruise during the weekend. Every Friday, Saturday, Sunday only. Yeah, so when you ride on the cruise, 8 p.m. you will enjoy this show. Yeah. The clients of so many cruises just approaching to this golden the Dragon Bridge. This one of the cruise. More luxury, of course, that one is more expensive. So you can recommend also for those VIP clients, they can use this one. This is the ferry, the building is you on board the cruise. Some pictures for you. This is Hilton Hotel, just near the river. What we call is Han River. So near the river, Hilton. This is the normal cruise. Just now I showed you that one is luxury cruise. This one is more special cruise. Normal chairs hotel. Okay. Yeah, many cruise in the river. This one is the temple of Guan Yin. Yeah. Because Vietnam, especially for northern part of Vietnam, was affected. Actually, that was occupied by China before. So they affected a lot. Like the temple, you can see the Chinese character around there. Yeah, the Kuan Yin.
Ganda.
Yeah, the Buddhism power.
Pagoda.
Yeah, the Buddha. Yeah. Oh, this is the Kuan Yin statue. Very huge one. The Vietnamese costume. Okay, so there are some information about Da Nang. Now, the raffle is a must, right? So I offer you the raffle for full free with the airfare to Da Nang. Yeah, to Da Nang.
Raffle daw.
Raffle. Yeah.
Rapol na agad.
How about ano?
Okay.
Ano yung calling card?
Yes.
We will just quickly solve the others po. Before the, kasi baka pag